By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about making money on YouTube without ever showing your face. If you stay to the end, you will get one of my secrets. Many aspiring creators believe that on-screen presence is essential for success, but that's not the case. Our purpose here is to unveil effective strategies that allow you to generate income while maintaining your privacy. Viewers can expect to learn about various methods, including creating engaging content through voiceovers, animations, or curated videos that captivate audiences without personal appearances. It's crucial to understand that employing the right strategies can significantly impact your earning potential. By focusing on niche markets, optimizing video titles and descriptions, and utilizing SEO techniques, you can attract a dedicated audience and monetize your channel effectively. Remember, success on YouTube is achievable for anyone willing to put in the effort, regardless of whether they choose to show their face or not. So, let's get started on this exciting path to financial freedom through YouTube. Making money on YouTube without filming yourself involves leveraging various strategies that allow you to create content while remaining behind the scenes. One effective approach is outsourcing video creation, where you can hire freelancers or use platforms that specialize in producing videos tailored to your vision. This means you can focus on content ideas and marketing while others handle the technical aspects of video production. Additionally, automation systems can play a crucial role in streamlining your workflow. By utilizing tools for scheduling uploads, managing social media, and optimizing SEO, you can efficiently run your channel without being on camera. It's important to note that personal branding is not a prerequisite for success on YouTube. Many channels thrive by focusing on niche topics or providing valuable information without a personal touch. This opens the door for anyone to enter the platform, regardless of their comfort level with being in front of the camera. However, it's essential to recognize that building a successful channel requires significant time and effort. Consistency in content creation, audience engagement, and strategic marketing are vital components that contribute to growth. While you may not need to film yourself, dedication and hard work are still necessary to cultivate a loyal audience and generate income. Embrace the process and you'll find that success is within reach even from behind the scenes. Choosing a profitable niche is crucial for attracting viewers and ensuring your content stands out in the crowded YouTube landscape. The significance of selecting the right niche that resonates with your audience cannot be overstated. It directly impacts your channel's growth and monetization potential. To aid in this process, utilizing tools like VidIQ can be incredibly beneficial. VidIQ offers keyword research and topic generation features that help you identify trending subjects and popular search terms, allowing you to create content that aligns with viewer interests. By analyzing data on what's currently engaging audiences, you can tailor your videos to meet demand effectively. Additionally, exploring niches with higher CPM, cost per thousand impressions rates, can significantly enhance your earning potential. Topics such as finance, cryptocurrency, and technology often attract advertisers willing to pay more for exposure, making them lucrative options for content creators. By focusing on these areas, you can not only draw in a larger audience but also maximize your revenue from ads. Remember, the key is to find a balance between your interests and what is profitable. Take the time to research and brainstorm ideas that excite you while also appealing to viewers. With the right topic, you can create compelling content that not only engages your audience, but also paves the way for financial success on YouTube. Structuring a compelling video script is essential for keeping your audience engaged from start to finish. A well-organized script can be broken down into 4 key parts: the hook, reason to stay, body, and call to action. The hook is the first 15 seconds of your video, and it's crucial for capturing attention. Use an intriguing question, a surprising fact, or a bold statement to draw viewers in immediately. Following the hook, provide a reason to stay by briefly outlining what viewers can expect to learn or gain from watching the video. This sets the stage and encourages them to continue watching. Next comes the body of the script, where you deliver the main content. This section should be informative and engaging, using storytelling techniques, visuals, or examples to maintain interest. To keep viewers engaged throughout the video, vary your tone and pacing, incorporate visuals or graphics, and ask rhetorical questions to encourage interaction. Finally, conclude with a strong call to action, prompting viewers to like, subscribe, or comment. This not only reinforces the video's message but also encourages further engagement with your channel. By following this structure, you can create a compelling video script that captivates your audience, keeps them watching, and drives them to take action, ultimately enhancing your channel's success. Utilizing tools like TubeMagic not only make this easy but fast. Creating a voiceover for your video is a vital step that can significantly enhance the overall quality and engagement of your content. There are several options for recording voiceovers, including DIY methods that can be both cost-effective and efficient. If you're just starting out, you can use your smartphone or a basic USB microphone to capture your voice. However, investing in a decent microphone can improve sound quality and make your recordings more professional. For those looking for free audio recording software, Audacity is an excellent choice. This user-friendly program allows you to record, edit, and export your voiceovers with ease. It offers various features such as noise reduction and audio effects, which can help you refine your recordings and achieve a polished sound. One of the most critical aspects of creating a voiceover is ensuring clear audio quality. Poor sound can lead to viewer frustration and decreased retention rates, as audiences are less likely to stay engaged with content that is difficult to hear or understand. To achieve clear audio, record in a quiet environment, use pop filters to minimize plosive sounds, and monitor your levels to avoid distortion. By focusing on these elements, you can create a compelling voiceover that enhances your video and keeps viewers coming back for more. Sourcing visuals for your videos is a crucial step in creating engaging content that captivates your audience. Fortunately, there are numerous free resources available for stock footage and images that can elevate your projects. Websites like Pexels and Storyblocks offer a vast library of high-quality visuals that you can use without breaking the bank. These platforms provide a range of images and video clips that cater to various themes and styles, making it easy to find the perfect visuals for your content. When downloading and using stock clips, it's essential to understand the legal aspects to avoid copyright issues. Most stock footage sites provide clear licensing agreements, so be sure to read and follow their guidelines. Generally, you can use these clips for personal and commercial projects, but some may require attribution or have restrictions on redistribution. Always check the specific terms associated with each clip to ensure compliance. Encouraging creativity is vital when combining visuals with audio for a cohesive video. Think about how the visuals can enhance your narrative and complement your voiceover or background music. Experiment with different combinations, transitions, and effects to create a seamless flow that keeps viewers engaged. By thoughtfully sourcing and integrating visuals, you can produce a polished and professional-looking video that resonates with your audience and effectively communicates your message. The video editing process is a crucial phase that transforms raw footage into a polished final product. To get started, choosing user-friendly editing software can make a significant difference, especially for beginners. Options like Capwing and iMovie are excellent choices as they offer intuitive interfaces and essential features that simplify the editing process. These platforms allow you to easily trim clips, add transitions, and incorporate text overlays, making it accessible for anyone looking to create engaging videos. Combining audio and visuals effectively is another key aspect of video editing. Ensure that your voiceovers, background music, and sound effects are synchronized with your visuals to create a cohesive viewing experience. Pay attention to audio levels, balancing dialogue with music to avoid overwhelming your audience. Using sound cues can also enhance storytelling, guiding viewers through your content seamlessly. Moreover, don't hesitate to experiment with different editing styles to enhance viewer experience. Try out various transitions, effects, and pacing to find what resonates best with your audience. Whether you prefer a fast-paced, energetic style or a more relaxed, cinematic approach, experimenting can help you discover your unique editing voice. Remember, the goal is to keep your audience engaged and entertained, so be open to trying new techniques and refining your style as you progress. With practice and creativity, you can elevate your video editing skills and produce captivating content that stands out. Thumbnails play a pivotal role in attracting viewers to your videos, serving as the first impression potential audiences have of your content. A well-designed thumbnail can significantly increase click-through rates, making it essential to invest time and effort into creating eye-catching visuals. Tools like Canva make designing thumbnails easy and accessible, even for those with little to no graphic design experience. With a variety of templates and customizable options, you can create professional-looking thumbnails that reflect your video's theme and style. A good thumbnail should be visually appealing and convey the essence of your video at a glance. To make your thumbnails stand out, consider using bold colors that catch the eye and evoke emotion. Bright contrasting colors can draw attention, while a cohesive color palette can enhance brand recognition. Additionally, incorporating clear and concise text can help communicate the video's main idea or hook. Use large, readable fonts that are easy to see even on smaller screens, and keep the text minimal to avoid clutter. Remember, the goal of your thumbnail is to entice viewers to click on your video, so it should accurately represent the content while sparking curiosity. By leveraging tools like Canva and applying effective design principles, you can create compelling thumbnails that not only attract viewers but also encourage them to engage with your content. In this video, we've covered essential steps to create a successful, faceless YouTube channel, empowering you to generate income while maintaining your privacy. We began by discussing the importance of selecting a profitable video niche, emphasizing the use of tools like VidIQ for keyword research, and exploring niches with higher CPM rates. Next, we outlined how to structure a compelling video script, highlighting the significance of the first 15 seconds to capture attention and maintain viewer engagement throughout the video. Now let's compare VidAI to a manual approach to create videos. So what is VidAI? It's a cloud-based platform that uses artificial intelligence to create videos from text prompts or scripts. It can generate videos with visuals, voiceovers, subtitles, and music. VidAI can also translate videos into more than 50 languages. While AI tools can't replace creativity, they offer templates for common video structures, suggesting hooks, ideas for audience engagement, and even AI-assisted copywriting to speed up the script writing process. It offers AI-generated voiceovers in various tones and accents. You simply input your script, and the AI creates a high-quality voiceover without background noise or editing. AI recommends or automatically selects visuals from its library to match the script. Clips are already optimized for the platform and can be drag and dropped into the timeline. Pre-built templates automate transitions, effects, and pacing. Tools like auto-alignment of audio and visuals make editing seamless. You can preview and tweak easily without starting from scratch. AI suggests thumbnail designs based on video content. By leveraging VidAI, you can create a polished, professional video from start to finish in a fraction of the time it would take to do manually. Its tools for script writing, voiceovers, visual sourcing, editing, and thumbnail design work together seamlessly, allowing you to focus on strategy and creativity while the platform handles the technical details. VidAI isn't just a time saver, it's a powerful assistant for producing high-quality content effortlessly. Now that you have these strategies at your disposal, I encourage you to apply them as you embark on your YouTube journey. Remember, consistency and creativity are key to success. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and explore more content we have to offer. Together, let's unlock the potential of your faceless YouTube channel.